Okay, something a little bit different today. It's going to be an unboxing, but I gave the Mrs. Vinster $50 to go on to Amazon and pick anything that she thinks that I could do a video about, what also could be a good tool for me doing my projects. So it'll be a win-win. So I have no idea. I'm gonna open this up, of course, because once this video is done, you know I know what it is. But as of right now, I have no clue. So I'm gonna take this out. It just arrived from Amazon yesterday, but I didn't have time to do anything with it. So I just kept it in the box and just got excited. So I'm going to pull this out. Okay. Well. Oh, okay. It's an airbrush. Now, before we go any further, she actually told me that she paid $23 for it. So she saved money. Plus, this thing's pretty heavy. It's got some meat to it. That's the kind I like. I really do like the pistol grip style. I have Pache, I have other ones, but I like these because when I'm doing the bigger models, they work a lot better. So she listened there. So now what I got to do is I'm going to check to see if the camera is on a good focus toward here. Alright, that should do the trick. Okay, so yeah, wow, 23 bucks. It's pretty cool. Handle. Oh, you can actually tighten that. Oh, you can tighten that up. Okay, good. I'm kind of worried about that kind of lumping around. So we've got, I kind of opened it funny here. There's some extra, oh, this goes obviously with this unit here. We'll go through like that for a hose, which we'll have to hook it up to a hose. We'll put that in there. That's a smaller one. I always use the bigger one. So, oh, that needs to be tightened up. What the deal would be to see if we can run this thing right out of the box would be cool. Now, I'm not sure. This is, oh, okay. That's something like that. Now, do you take it as far as it should go? I don't know. And you tighten that up. This is a side mount. My other one is actually a top mount. So that's pretty neat. I don't know if that'll get in the way with what you're doing, because you really can't switch sides. So, I don't know. We'd have to give it a shot. On the bigger models, maybe not so much for the detail, but they got a nice little boot on top to protect the needle. That's cool. Okay. Now we're actually going to have to figure out the hose. Now I went and got a hose that I already have available for the other one. So hopefully when I take this off, it'll be the same size. More than likely it will. We'll put that there. Save that. And we'll put this one on here. There we go. There we go. It's got the rubber seal. And we're good to go. Okay. And that part goes into my compressor. Now we're ready to hook it up to the compressor. Alright, I'll have my coffee. That's good stuff. Good stuff. Alrighty. Now, gotta undo the other one. This is, over here, this is Old Faithful. This is the one I always use. This is amazing. But, and then again, it's for bigger jobs. But man, does it hold a pile of paint. And it works basically the same way. Oops, got a little bit of cleaner in there. So put that back. And we're going to go down here and unhook the other one. Now I've got, can't see it, but I've got a water extractor down here, so you don't get water into your paint. Put it this way. With water-based paint, it happens, but you really sometimes won't notice it. Actually, most of the time you won't notice it because it is water-based. What I use inside the house anyway. We'll plug that in there. Alright. That's hooked up. Now we'll turn it on. Compressor's running. And we'll just see if we got airflow. Well, for some reason, still a hole there for dummies, obviously, because this has got to come off. It's a little protector, so that's off. Now, how I test them, just to start, would be take a little bit of, I use window cleaner for thinners. I'll put a little bit of window cleaner in there, and I'll put the lid back on it because the way my luck always is. Put that on. Okay, so I guess that's supposed to go tight. Oh, maybe not. Piece of cardboard. There we go. There we go. Small. You can see that happening. Or we're going to put some paint in there. I think we'll be alright. Well, I've got a holder over here, but I don't know if it'll fit yet. I haven't tried it. We'll put that in a holder for now. We'll leave that there. Hopefully. Silver is probably not the best to play with. It's a metallic silver. But it's working. Those are actually nice lines. Yeah, silver's not exactly what I had it sitting there, so other than that, it's not bad. I've added some black to the silver so you can see it better. So here we go. Not bad. There you go. Actually, it's not a bad line. I think we're doing like little dots. Elongated, but there you go. Other than that, right out of the box, it's a nice, closer you get, the finer the line you can do, of course. Go. Now you tuned it up a bit, of course, you don't get all that spitting and stuff. I should get another piece. Practice your lines. The closer you get, the finer it is. got to mix it so that you don't get the splatter. Takes time. I've only worked with it for a few minutes. But I'm sure I could tune it so you don't get the splatter. Other than that, straight out of the box for 23 bucks. Not bad. Not bad at all. I think we're going to run out of paint. Love it. Run out of paint. So, awesome little airbrush to start with. Or, if you haven't started and you want to do bigger projects, it's perfect. Check it out. I wish I had a name for it. There is no name for it. I haven't gone on Amazon to see, but I do not see a name on it other than model airbrush. So that could be just the name. So, now hopefully we're not too close, but I don't know what you think of it. I think it's pretty good for straight out of the box. And I'll see you on the next video.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.